Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a voice changer on Meta Quest 2, Quest 3, and Quest 3S. First, ensure your Quest headset is powered on. Then, make sure it's connected to Wi-Fi and updated to the latest firmware. Now, on your PC or Quest browser, find a VR-compatible voice changer app like Voice Mode VR or similar. Open apps require you to install on a PC and link to Quest for in-game use. Then, use the Oculus Link cable or AirLink to connect Quest to your PC. This allows VR apps to route audio through the voice changer. After that, open the voice changer app on PC or VR interface. Here, select your input device, either the microphone from your Quest headset or an external mic. Then, choose the voice effect you want, such as a robot, deep, or high-pitched. Next, open your VR gamer app like VR Chat or Horizon Worlds. In audio settings, set the input device to the voice changer app. Then, test by talking, and your voice should now have the effect applied in real time. Finally, adjust volume, pitch, and effect intensity for clarity. Make sure other players can hear you clearly. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. In real time. Finally, adjust volume.